Ever wondered how a country manages its currency? It's a complex process involving banks, governments, and yes, even you. Today, we're taking a peek into the fascinating world of Zimbabwe's monetary system. Picture this. It's April 29th, 2024, and the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ, has just made a big announcement. They've set the weekly cash withdrawal limits at Zig 3,000 for individuals and Zig 30,000 for corporates. But that's not all. They're also about to introduce new Zig banknotes and coins to commercial banks. The man behind this move, Central Bank Governor John Mushayavanhu, in an interview with the Sunday Mail, he confirmed that banks will start collecting cash from the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe the very next day. He also shared that the RBZ has already communicated with banks regarding the cash withdrawal limits. The RBZ's Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, had issued a directive to local banks on April 10th, outlining the cash withdrawal limits in light of the introduction of the new structured currency, ZiG. The directive set out monthly withdrawal limits for various entities such as schools, hospitals, clinics, local authorities, government ministries, and departments. Interestingly, the directive did not limit cash withdrawals by parliament, courts, and international organizations. It further clarified that withdrawal limits for United States dollar accounts would remain unchanged. The directive also provided guidelines for banks to ensure due diligence when processing cash requests for customers, essentially to prevent the facility from being used for criminal activities. And in cases where a customer has a valid need to withdraw cash above the stipulated limit, the bank would have to submit an application to the FIU, setting out the special grounds for the request. So, when will the public start withdrawing cash from their accounts? According to Governor Mushayavanhu, it's scheduled to start on Tuesday, the 30th of April 2024. And what about the new ZiG notes and coins? They're expected to be drip-fed into the market in denominations ranging from ZiG 1 to ZiG 200. The ZiG coins will be issued in denominations of 1 ZiG, 2 ZiG, and 5 ZiG, while ZiG banknotes are denominated in 10 ZiG, 20 ZiG, 50 ZiG, 100 ZiG, and 200 ZiG. To sum up, Zimbabwe's monetary system is undergoing a significant transformation with the introduction of the ZiG currency and new withdrawal limits. It's an intricate process that involves careful planning, clear communication, and stringent checks and balances. As we've seen, managing a country's currency is a fascinating, complex task that affects everyone, from the government and banks to individuals and businesses. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.